Mining stocks in India saw a notable boost on Monday, riding the wave of a broader market rally and renewed optimism in global commodity demand. The Nifty Metal Index climbed more than 1.3% during early trade, outperforming the benchmark Nifty 50, which also opened higher amid positive global cues. Leading the charge were Hindustan Zinc, Vedanta, and NMDC, each posting gains between 1.5% and 2% in the session. The surge reflects growing investor confidence in resource-heavy sectors, particularly as base metal prices like zinc and copper continue to rise. Much of this is tied to global economic signals. China's infrastructure rebound and a steady increase in India's urbanization and manufacturing activity are fueling demand for essential metals. The Nifty Metal Index has now delivered a strong 17% return so far in 2025, outpacing most other major sectoral indices. Analysts attribute the bullish trend to rising steel and iron ore demand, both domestically and abroad. Sectors such as construction and automobile manufacturing are ramping up production, further strengthening demand for raw materials. Another key factor is the weakening of the US dollar. As the dollar dips, global commodity prices become more attractive, giving Indian metal exporters a competitive edge. This is especially significant for companies like Vedanta and Hindustan Zinc, which have large export portfolios. The overall sentiment suggests that India's mining and metals sector may be entering a new phase of growth, fueled by global tailwinds and strong domestic demand. For investors, the sector's recent performance is more than just a short-term spike. It may be a signal that deeper value lies beneath the surface. Aidan Davis, Skillings.net.